Hello agus fáte hiic na seanslia mas maiideh seansa lacu glaciad na seanslia is mise Hugh McGill cheada agus tá fleabhaite ó bhí mí san áring inis tan nálaigh búilte linn, I think, basically. Cos tá na máisiú an thuas ar sráid graftan agus ahanrú. Like, it's agus níl even fiú í hánan seo go fáid. Scandalach, absolutely scandalach. Tá man seo lemhoid cóleachia, lemhoid cairde ar dúsbair tá man seo le aine bhuiir aine go timar tú.
Ní maiile a chlustal faoinar tata sa flopáte ní caiisisin sin dé rééis gur míle maigat ag all right.
Just cos go muise sesta an am hain agus goma ag mochu fíorcuachtal agus go ma gitabug rá anrucha ar an fad. That's just sin just mise agus a can't fi lad I mean rá anrucha ar an pod man seo fasta le James ó Flaharta. James timmer tatu.
Yeah, go yeah, ní mis bú am áisteach na tada, so tá mis bra tem, bí mis gúní tem. Zachar éanais go chum so
dry bones of Flaharta according to their work.
Hey, forever alone ó Flaharta.
You know all about a dry bone. Sorry, go lad.
Stop it sin.
But then innuendos
In K who's endo? Sorry, go lad.
No, go back. Shot the mom. Who moet leun choran elle er shaftere. So shingoma. So Chloe Canis a Hyundai dat niet zijn in this. Fi an kaiki shachten. Agus yeah, I totally agree lad le Charles Grafton agus le Temple Bar na mas gan olig hanhin hos like is moet a honnig níos le leis an sound.
Yeah,
kifo nach moet kellere ik handen ní smooth na mar ik like beginning have a huge in eating. I think should that almost fjorm is bra sich handen. So
really
se have a huge in eating. Bekeert like hocht seach go chullefób gomach Lloyd 3 skeleton who's a choráit is dé cáil kins cáil skeletons go down I go pinty
what's your crahalla.
I tell you be go just nach mo cad ag mas chanála I golsús go dtí Lloyd I chéad lá go mí na saoda.
T-ainmniúchán sin, I just near Chreatlach gur dinge cho spooky who. Near cap ma growth to cho toka le ghosts agus ghouls.
I'm the spookiest, honey.
I mean, been to a ghost al gomininic. You know what the whole anyway. You know the being thing he ralum. Nervy mistisa conru.
Sure the wando, I don't know who should brew shop in Sawin. Like ta more like lagin exula tag dini. At my ne heckle and shomer McGiva kincha. Ak during she'd some documents mention 6 days of drinking alcohol to excess, typically mead or beer, along with gluttonous feasts. Agus near closum sin, I'm like, Beijing should have fogger Mila James and Tom showed them Leon and Urchin. My task when you're hin James or Bender. Hincher Bender.
Well, and Rud Michigan right, it's our quinta grammar good yarn check was Shay le the Allahan agus the party ollmhór ig hauna near the shin and Jerry shocked and Kieran the will an Oireachtas or shul. It's like a Willasaku.
Oh,
Shin much ach a killeroo in our good Chreatlach Haganach much I had just a Gary Ve whole onric agus ho castile na shan lahinte or father Hugh.
yes, sort of an ode than Nadini Hani Rowan. Attache sort come Michael's le bidger Hanukkah so gan hain. What's gonna go on she'd front us a han laugh when you tree lodge agus stoilum. So shin our lagging the shin and lagging gaila erna dun am show than blian at all can ya.
James came a bheith onrice bhí muid can't faoi seo sular hasimúid sort hain tú se ar an gléocht an tafod Tá hénig is aine idir chóirle idir muid geirí takeíad a thuirteit sna chéad chluichí eile mar obviously tá muid geirí tú a eiceáil a dénig go maiid agus an club a dénig go maiid ach ag an am céarna má muin sibh an ceag chluichí eile ní bheith tusa ag Oireachtas na saona agus tá muid like tá muid sésta dá bud ag an am céarna
Tá sé có dulí mar mu gíh na gard maithe, bud also tá mu gíh letlasa agus just tú a bhelinn hí a gláirne so Tá a trid le mo chud smuointe héin a hanna le lá.
Listen, James, just couple of goal like in the chat. Just like
No goals.
Yeah.
A chuí ran mu sé ná tá mu chuig cean a chundé, so tá mu mar an curtain raiser chun the seniors in gáile, so be gimmer sí a túm, so big match. Chance má go mé chuig senior TG ceair. Béidir leúna é if certain daine on cearú a go go TG cead, might pull some strings, go béidir nach mu é YouTube or something, ní sad. Ach no, like I chuig cean a chundé, ní rimmer se I chuig cean a chundé ó bhí ma 9 so seod rud mór míach omsa tá oring seo ruchtdal agus sin mar room a seo time ra gotí chluhí chonachta a chomáile sin taring playoff immer agus is go bhenach is ra na gaiileh aríomh na gaiileh sin. So rud mór mícha seo be bhar lumsa bheith gimmers pell go persanta mé is bra am chlub Tá má fáí sinne so ní mór an go leinte seo fáca Bhí buála me se dhéana hóp ach you know what sé netach is backup plan is fearstoi right in riomh na you know is backup plan má ach camerará be bhelum like go chu sláinte agus go fóca go sláinte mo fóca go bhrá le mo chorp má anam agus má wallet a bheith gimmers pell mé ní me gur bheith €100 lóistín chumá le probably €100 beer agus sin €100 a bethe so sin hart €1,000 an séir seachtain sin like evenly distributed in mochúm so tá é like bhharm just €100 hééis icheach dá roch mu a playoff in ná méidnacha ag an Oireachtas.
Ach bhíon sort sílam ochras aigen chorp na ghil le bheith igur d mar sin agus lei se cos le dólag a líú le junior mai sí an Oireachtas agus sílam go mthaid tusa beidir go tú stúci den chéad bblion eile go dé leat a gáil ríis be rud éigen in nasnú I do chorp I do chrí I do anam.
Oh wow, okay.
Just
gan má bh an agus sin just ochras a chuir mar ríéis so go ghéana mai cíns go dhéar go más a game because caha mai eiche má éigen bhám so caha mu a chlééis an róta chun go mé eiche má ein so that will just fuel to the fire so sin mó leis geall so yeah look há flein má so was má chálan mud ón dúnach se thugaing mé má bhaigneach ag an Oireachtas without a doubt yes bé má miserable
Ní maid in miserable James.
No, it's dantrach.
A sé dulí James a haing tomahas an misery sin.
Yeah, agus sin like mé má miserable gama ag an Oireachtas yeah ach sin I'll get over it má ben cléá
lose situation in mo
agus win-win it's actually the only win-lose situation that an mad.
Higlum Hugh is mé hé na háilt istí backstage bar an
Gurker James like
Karen slúmór stále like Arker car so good ar jelly.
Ma tattoo seclusion agus ar TG Car James a Gillian sin like ag le am a bit a sig resource leis an analí sé dhéanú like the pitch side like commentary dhéanú. Yeah, lads, we should just go my capum.
Hey, Nemerton, call me up. Mic me up Edinburgh.
It's brel the fish It's fucking brel the fish
No, chance go me on clay criú like and to be honest probably nach me like nuach an nuifin géad nach me an clay criú tada it's probably nach mo a playoff at tada ach you know níach sa de roch moet níos fute ná sin agus bhach mu an go pí fáda connacht go méid amach ceán gan na chluisisin ar televis níomh sad. Chum cúpa blianachan gur an na chluí canne ar fad ar TG Cad agus sa chluí canna social hí na Cliffords a gimmert go batáú sa chluí canne so you know you never know sin that's the big dream ach the goal is on chéad chluí Edirachtáil and that's the only thing we think about go tí sin.
Well, sulm go into man into den be hun de chamber baku. Yeah. Game size chamber view book to reach James just to double check out but
just double room.
But name would swap my brúin and that's me pá a twin room sin. Má buine tú clíthe I'll be like, yes, be leabí mór a go héin in
Yeah.
the two singles Grammy hiile eile. Mar listen, the great bhí sé two singles tí charmer and Ari, if you catch my drift.
So mar méadach leabháin náá leba ní tú go léontar an thuúsú a sibre.
Ní bhím sa tuairt
No.
daon idir chamra an ar aondos.
Má tá leba spóransa bhacht ná an cuairtúir bhd. So ní bhéh cuairtúrad má bhíon leabháinad, no?
Ní bhín cuairteir agam sa Rio, James. Come on, we all know this.
Caihin Hugh a híal cos le couple of bhí posta seaca blianain, cai si labí single bhecu.
I thought you meant girl like they are no Shaska Blianhan where I'm just like love hain like a hammer fad and I'm just solo and hammer fad. When will my husband return from war kind of style job?
Yeah, the party James is Shomrella.
Yeah, exactly.
when my wife comes home from the residence bar, it's like they're away at war.
A Jukachi rash, Ryu. Is he different I'm sure. I can't flee potentially a once ruddy buchan running it. Firmwich, I guess Sean with grammar. Ni Rose Ogamsa, and I don't think a Rose Ogam sure heard Fleisha or Harby. Firmwich Anya Lahai Gradam and Pod Grin as far as the cheer, which is woo. I mean, hilarious. I guess Gurmila
apparently so are we.
But yeah, Stadashin. So Daiwer Mishima was because her mo housemate Texagum. Agus just her chalam Okuhar just as up the Anrihan. And I was like, huh? Like in Anrihan. Because they're lahai gradam podfealty. And because we were like, huh? Like, come on, let's go. Agus apparently the Tadinga tag Goberlash a the Anri Faste. Agus nervy housemate dul fridge and liste panic shot. Hold on a second. And I shouldn't couple of chancely vacuum is these rudchin. Agus yeah, so for much Anrihan lahai the gradam and pod a wen lang Chreatlach at
Blacking with Lesh.
Absolutely. Mental.
Yeah. I mean Mohinger sort token Gaelga pod which and the faighte going Achlach with Lesh Margaret and tain pod Gaelga ta animal is doilum so look ní mas garan.
No.
Yeah, bhí mis ceap go mééis go catch go acu le na podcréí Gaeilge seir na ruth
Cap mis sin faste.
Yeah.
Literally, if you mis gar dul suasa go síos an lehanana cuairtú an like and pods as Gaelic or whatever.
With Brutus I garne like one a lehanana. Yeah, she cuimis tír ag one like ben na podcréí Gaeilge an shot near fu arc me ar na podcréí grin.
Bhí mó bhóta bug nach cat am na dnig is around ó grin because ní ceap mar grom on. Like ceim se go mu go bheith I ran eile, so bhí se like tea with me le Shane Todd bhí mar go vóú ó sin. Then we like, oh, fan mad. Bert's Whoas, that looks a bit familiar. Oh, shin Koshange.
Tá muid a ggóúidir mai. I mean,
yes.
Na two Johnnies, Tommy, Hector agus Larisha sti hin sin. Tá ollmhór cin an seo. Tea with me mar luath an sin. Tá ceann laughs of your life le dar an garhi.
No, tá lein cin í tá mai sí young hot guys.
So is honor a bheith ainmniúchán ar nói. So mu dinner bí í bhóta caiú.
It's not whether mata de Gary vota caiú no na bhfuil. Le a haltar bhaid doing.
Bardí vota. Bardí vota no rihí mu marné.
Well, imagine saol an upset of a hon. Like the two Johnnies in the audience. How to Gael.
Yeah.
Tea with Shane Todd. Agus Shane took on three stooge, sir. Stooge starch. Agus started. Agus buttery. Seansálaithe. Agus Shane mutter.
Is there not handing it?
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Right. That's us, bitches. That's us. Peace out, motherfuckers. Aged out.
100% bit thing here. Agus butchery na Seansálaithe. Seansálaithe. Seansálaithe.
So sin go se fiú níos táchtaí fiú a rio ná is bhótal ar so just ons go darlín sin, because bheith sin just absolutely hilarious.
Mana Dr. Vata Dunya tá se fre Chreatlach is an rud tú Janu. Agus listen, it's pro Gaelic pod Virginia. It's just ar ogan nach ró sogah.
Agus cúis eile freisin.
No, go
Tá
on.
choláine go love-hate relationship amsle den bháin. So
Yes.
imagine mise go suas ag Hector ará unlucky.
Oh.
Chéimhna eile.
Kevin, listen, agus má tagann tú ar pot sogan beidir go mééis agad sa imlíanana. Beidir be má
Bit go bugin Kermit an? Kermit, masú.
Does Joy James Jobs again is strategic her full shebang. It doesn't passion
ní chuil tú. Tá má go nugus in the Philippines. Oh yeah. Ní chuil tú mission. So ní bháin go rúm seo tá má freisin gogus in the Philippines, man.
Agus listen, Hector, ná bachlis na flights book up. Just ná bach. Níl go láte bhí.
Dúir lom, just dúir lom ará le. Dúir lom go winner takes all of these category show. Agus dúir go héadú go mééis gogus in the Philippines.
Fuck tú know sin bha.
Agus
crazy
Broner man. The Broner. Tá má gimocht. Yeah.
Oh my god. I know go mí magu faoi like I'm not fearlam faoi seo faoin rivalry seo is that tan rivalry buníthe ar gan chapter in pod, but am faoi is this absolutely slag LA like a dumber fun. So like oh actually Jarty charter a podcast just not éis le aon agra.
A tan rivalry có aon téhach níl cluú ag Hector bhí seo agus dá múla leis like ha you ever tattoo store like cópléisra.
No, níos go a stóircha. Níos go a gluach treasure. Níos go a gluach treasure at Hector. Not a fucking fear. Ma cecha bhfuil tú a cholachaí sin an leis.
Cholachaí?
Oh.
Cos tá sé bhar an level chearna.
Yeah. Oh, okay, better a lachaí. Tá sé definitely a ord lachaí. Tá sé bhhaús.
I think you're the lackey
oh no, Kate from game. Like in same folk umsker is slander bug who's go Hector. It's not a slander bug, man. How's it chunle go hook inspires on got a chance on now. Like
100%.
Tam she get about Hector bug. Tam she get about Hector Jr.
Hectorine.
Tam I just to get a mentor Hector. Should have to my era. Was it should think of the children.
Láhain. Listen, láhain tá chun tharlóidh.
Yeah, look, Hector, ní tú ná an coineal or gágus Fiji agus na Philippines lá éigen
Beú sa garúa Be Vietnam.
Ní hé le mu cheacan chuúo Hector.
A searúa.
No, rud them sure. Ní bhéad the crov ná leigin ní smú ag á making. Just tour light the church and pass it on, brother. You know what I'm raw.
Oh my god. Jesus.
Ach má bhíon Hector sa bhíantas gonamara. Well, má bhíon tú gear í cíns vacanza ní mis bhís an unless go to tusan tortum.
Oh my god.
The Olympic ceremony.
Má tá dinnerbí a ggéirí bhóta caiú. Fágin mu nasc istí sa bio ar Instagram nó ar Twitter agus spéis tí hin ar Linktree. So Jenny cinse bhótal, Jenny cinse insin do bhór maithchas bhór nachcha bhótal tá seo ar son na Gael.
Yeah. Ar son the Gael. Ar son the Changa.
Come on.
Ar son the
Jenny would show like
Gael. Yeah, exactly. Hamachon and Gaelic yenu coolerish. Sinna
Mar you're an Hector, bhíon Gaelic a gcónaí cool. Tá just ahan den áhairt fi dearúnas.
Yeah. Not Lou Anim Hector, but just no free.
Sore subject.
I think actually good reason session here. Just
I think so. Yeah.
I think actually Michigan. I think go roids didn't keep that much.
It's like in Hutchinson office where it's like you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky, Michael Scott, but it's being Gaelic Goni cool. Hector Hogan, James O'Flaherty.
So it was good. Ma she Hector Wayne Gretzky. Agus my mission Michael Scott, I will take that. Agus Hector should take that. That's a big compliment. Like,
absolutely.
Go be Wayne Gretzky, goat. Agus go mission just a funny loser.
Dur má libh sular hasímuid seo go má Gary running a conspaideach a dhéanú.
yeah.
Agus tá má Gary word dúirmí a eile dús buire sular neanam seo because it's kenú ollmhór. Like it's all war. As in like neasam céndá like ahracha jarco and football armsa like bedini
Buzzcut.
No. Bring my Rivado and I would absolutely love the NRH, but that is not in road. It's Rodney small the buzz cut darlumsa. He's permanent now that buzz cut.
What? Hair transplant?
No. Listen, Neil trip go turkey to y'all armsa.
Terms though, didn't get
for sponsor.
one
image an Irish Pod Awards the James Van Hair Transplant L. Shin
Like goes le dahio sé or ads like or ads are in the bins in the shopping centres.
Yeah, like look, Nimish raw follically blessed like so mata dini gera macaron ni na couple blian foki la roig so
no to neart go to my go home calculator, but I think it was on a need la general greg. It's a wad ni small na greg capamsa.
Wait, Tassagum.
Laser eye surgery.
Eye surgery.
Oh, no, really? Never. But can go to my Gary Spakely Noel.
Neil Shin permanent.
That is permanent because the show
not having to a couple of bleeding.
Yeah, but you're after my shaw like 3 blian and she can punch up. It's a car blian almost and she can punch a shaw.
Honestly, the sure knock laser eye surgery.
I'd look weird.
Also, Hugh gone the hood Spakely.
100%. Anything not go ahead is go home. Agus Jarm Shinadini, I'm like Urkamsa Ach gan Mahud Spakely. And they're like, no, ni Urkin. And then Jenham Shaw and they're like blocking Mahud Spakely, yes, and they're like, hey shit, who the hell is that? Like ni Haitian thing you care.
So with the go like shape now, like you're ditching the octagon, it's got like dectagon.
A cane puncher is it just a circle?
I know my shapes.
A cane puncher, like if you keep adding sides to a running out, that eventually it's just a circle. Like I don't know, give it.
Well, let's go to Jake when my name hurts for Jar. Had the Spakely and Ish Kena Lenar Gorgeous. Or fourth us in a Spakely shin.
Oh,
dear Clark or my Jan near Kayla.
James like what?
It's an octagon. He don't know here like what?
Yeah. No, what was the callous the UFC, James? Obviously. But think hard though. There's the ogum ho ada is it a genuine podshaw.
Mars Quivenlum Sulrome like in the gardage Curtu Narja Mar Eganamshin Curtus Ahanrod or Twitter. A bit too chronically or Twitter. Nismona Tanish Agus Rinna to Curtu Pixura and Argila the could Spexura. And it was a whole launch like we saw in a deal more or Spakely or a fight you got.
So Ken so King if you had River Show.
So la blianti the like rectangular caniogum.
Oh, so you doubled the edges.
I went from tiny squares. La inch the actually to that ogum shop May 27th, 2021. There were much in the Spakely show. Agus so ovima like sharply in the ish could you go like faighte, I think the Spakely rectangular ogum. And we should milch not. They look terrible. Because near inch anything you do, like no one told me ages or whatever. And it wasn't good then for McKinney Kirkla they're from an old skull that I was like to Shaw a wad news fair. And why did no one inform me of this? Like Shaw actually this is a form of child cruelty, I think.
Sheem grows her fashion the kinshin eganam ni ro cool, I suppose Spakely ro crackle to a good sanam.
Yeah, but we should like rectangular.
Yeah, they were not a vibe.
Near Airsheds do. So yeah, so an Uriar and a revision gore my spectacle though was Fiha Okchake. So it's like Shea Blian. And I've only gone through 2 pairs of glasses. So it's really more like, it's a huge step for mankind. The Hugh kind, Tharlumsa.
Ni glum to howls le ein sort Glinja ella ertenish,
Shaw and Fibe. Shaw rud vi mare le mo huch kurja agus le mo chila. I was like, I'm getting like the 2 Ronnies. Ta Shaw ho anish. Morialgo Shaw ho diffrul. It's like go ni fedlum ein rud ele rudia el. Like because the beding equal clachti like Shaw. So there are me Shaw like be conspa John. I'm telling you now. Be Shaw be an phobal ag glóirt.
Bejora.
Bé mar buircéalte, bé mar ar blas, bé mar peiscéala, bé mar ar splánk,
Nuachtaí cahar.
Jenny dinge igen documentary as, you much grad Oireachtas, bé se like bé rud allhar on. So but my Gary and Steve shit or dúspáire because
Because it's got full John Lennon.
Get shot in the head. No.
That would make the documentary. No, very.
That would make the bitch a waddy symbol.
Yeah.
That we're doing worry.
Scríor an really dramaúil as brona. agus fáid cálín a bhrisin sús an pod criú.
Oh, conspaja. Listen, well, this is actually the thing chat that hasn't broken up the podcast yet, so
because he's the nicest man on the planet.
This is true, yeah.
Wait a second. Two men here.
Yeah, hold on a second, Anya.
That makes no sense.
The mission. Aber Rutherwen Meechart and you're in the Michigan is James. Actually, please don't answer that question, Aaron Todd. Let me turn off the recording.
Like the list.
You're grand. You're good. You're like do Oscar Swiss much Instagram DMs. Let me just no. But yeah, I think it's an arm. It's an arm. Yeah, I think
Switch it up in Oireachtas. I was just confused on Gachtanisa.
Oh, Genshin, mar an rud a missionary den Oireachtas na daithí me mo gruig goráis ó gruig Yon go gruig Gorcha am lá ribh na gradam as ní ruirt meile den rabí. So nar landal me bhí ahan just like, hang on, what? Kishin, oh! Pan shock factor just class. Spálam an cuma ar aigúin níos. Bhí harta sinnéanú just an reaction. Agus ag let a video dhéanú de blachas.
Bhí art Badger could jockey to James. You can be my fashion coordinator. Agus about this was in Ballycliffe fast any to more flat wrote the chat to us le codulum either round the specs nua.
Well, ein inspirajo go fod.
Elton John.
Well, Shaw, we should Shaw Elton Hammett. Literally in time Terry Shaw, not the Eltons. Oasis and Tate.
Oh.
So I think Kaima Afru, my pop starlet. Badger or my Irian Chidney Smogs, Nismo, just like two jam jars, just Ermo A.
Cos le an Shannar ó up, sin grishin an inspo is fair.
Listen, double shamad, be session past the sass, we say brass sass the Gaji Jerry Seals Siga, so I think it worked out pretty well for him, the Spakely Siga. I think it's the wear the Spakely, to be honest. Agus ní aon rud eile.
As céir dhéon tú leis na sean spéiclín ar bhagan tú raig go béir an mar sin tú leihí does caiin tú sa rúscreen.
Caiitú actually curfing talú because they're and to the ground you shall return.
No, Catu reconstruction in on the east of Hugh of his face. Catu reconstruction of his skull in the spéiclí lagan's head, and then tá siúmar just lawn the spéiclí with Hugh heads.
Because like Kim Kardashian, Quinny do chuid spéiclí le fa chuinear tatú like cóáú le gan chuige bli agus be arcaibh agus the adrod le dul siar Cartlan Hugh a go cara.
Iad a chuiriste ar is this what do you call it? It's a National History Museum.
Hall of Fame.
Sorry, I've heard a couple of Shampoo 3 the spectacular arm they're Nisoige and they are diabolical. Like they're not like Neil should my or Harvey. But la again they should their father the father seen Cartlan ollmhór.
Basically it's a British museum,
Okay, wow, okay, James. All right, 1 second.
Not tomorrow come into the guides Rudy.
Okay, I thought grow to a genu vi to like conspaja and chin.
Oh, August Mel go West Britu, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, the Michigan Jarvis partners. Nope. We've had our fun. Nope. Did you Crystal having it? So
you're even a queen machine will hug Hugh. This is a current joke in the so really ring it to Maga food hey.
No.
No, never.
Never. Well, actually, Kaimer's goal because the Michigan came out anyway because the James got a train all to hopefully lose. Because Anya Jenny rolling out, I don't know.
Mis glanú a hacharnacht.
Woo! Oh,
Duration
spicy.
joke sin this bit Hugh just actually openly I get an chuir cháile.
I am in a gweerat se cos le Tinkerbell sa scanan. I do believe in fairies. A cai an a bheith ag chantal le chéile go Gailey James clia.
I do believe in Carua. Or I don't believe in Carua. Sinead don agran segur míáid the get le na Seansálaithe with the nominated the best comedy podcast nominated Seansálaithe or reach with the guy vata horting bay and nasc Cecil Linktree agus Aaron Graham so let the hall tour vata doing please bitch already jazz and it would justify costs and ticket like all like in the mat the Gary would you lance or the man host the time with your Seansálaithe or Instagram Seansálaithe or Twitter agus Seansálaithe or YouTube Math the Gary and Amsterdam host that's more anywhere Instagram anywhere Twitter because anywhere or TikTok Math the Gary James Amsterdam host that's more flahertalk or Instagram flahertalk or Twitter is flahertalk or TikTok as Math the Gary Mahana Amshu or the man host that more Hugh Carrier Instagram Hugh Carrier Twitter because just gra Hugh Car or TikTok Blaine Rodella okay plug on
Arish mata dinner biggie vote chaihu be nascs Linktree agus Jenkins go mé muidir chur goibhna díobh ahanana lár na man hóisialta mar ní rud a bhí níos fearr le bheith Jonathan.
Yeah. Muide allegedly on Podchreatlach comedy sure.
Darla thing again. We were worth throwing our name in the hat anyway. So
Allegedly
and pod is far. Kin to the pods comedy is far secure. And pod
sit down allegedly.
Even
Down.
Allegedly.
Done.
Allegedly.
Yeah.
Sit down.
allegedly. Oh god. Right, but he's also Jerry shot to get no draw sheet agra new acti shin. Salam.
Slam.
Bramore. Kiss.